Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix YouTube TV playback error. Alright, so there are multiple reasons why you might be getting YouTube TV playback error, but the most common issue you might have is that your current playback area does not support the show that you want to watch. In that case, what you have to do is change your current playback area. And if you cannot do that because you are outside of that location, what you can do to fix this playback error is to use a VPN. The one I'm recommending is ExpressVPN because this is the one that I'm using and it works for me for YouTube TV. It's really fast, and last but not least, you can also try it out for 30 days risk-free. And all you have to do is use the link in the description below, so it will open up this page, and click your trial today. And changing your location, so your IP address, wouldn't solve your problem. You can just cancel your ExpressVPN subscription and ask for a refund, and you will lose no money with this method. But once you have ExpressVPN, you have to download it to your smart TV, your PC or Mac. Then open up the ExpressVPN app and change your IP address to a city where that show is available on YouTube TV. And in most cases, this should fix your YouTube TV playback error. If this doesn't solve your YouTube TV playback error, you can also check out this troubleshoot YouTube TV streaming issue guide, and you can see some solutions. So the most common one, as you can see, is the current location settings, which you can change with the VPN we have talked about. But as you can see, you can try some uninstall and some other solutions as well. So you can uninstall and reinstall the YouTube TV app. You can basically turn off and turn back on your device. And there are some other solutions here, so you can also check out this page as well. We will link it in the description below. But all in all, these are the ways how you can fix the YouTube TV playback error.